Hello, everybody. I am Carolina Escobar, and today we're going to use Stellarium to observe the comet C 2022 E3. The first thing you have to be aware of is your location. Okay, so you're going to go to location window and select from where you want to observe the comet. Great. Now we're going to go to the configuration window. We're going to go to plugins, and you're going to select Solar System Editor. Configure. Select the tab Solar System, okay, and we're going to click on Import Orbital Elements. Select Comets, and here in the bookmark, we're going to select MPCs, List of Observable Comets. Great. Now click Orbital Elements. The comet appears here because I have done this process before, but what you're going to do is you're going to write the name of the object, in this case, the comet. Okay, you're going to select it, ZTF, click Add Objects. After you have done that, you can close all the windows. Great. Now you're going to go to Search window, and you're going to type the name, in this case, a comet. All right, going to select it. Great. From my location right now, the comet is below the horizon, my horizon. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to date and time, and you're going to start moving up or down the time. In this case, let's go see the night. So you can see being at midnight is still not visible, and it's already the next day. Okay, around 2 a.m. it starts to be above the horizon, visible. Okay, we can leave it there. If you have trouble locating the comet using all these coordinates, what you can do is you can activate the constellation lines and the constellations names, okay? That can be easier for you. Then what you can do is you're going to start moving the date up or down, however you want. So you can start tracking the comet, okay? You can track it until maybe 1 week, 1 month, okay? What it's best for you. Great. If maybe you need more information, you can go to Astronomical Calculations window, and you select the ephemeris. You select the celestial body, in this case, the comet. And then you're going to click Calculate Ephemeris. You can also export them, okay? And have all the information available in terms of this data and the coordinates, okay? You have it here until February. So it's going to be easier for you to track. That's it. Thank you so much. I hope this is useful for you. Until next time.